What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today's cooking video is actually going to be another experimental recipe for lentil cheese fries. And you may have heard of chili cheese fries, but these are lentil cheese fries. And this is like I said, this is an experimental recipe, so let's go over what we need. Now, what you need is actually pretty obvious. All you need is some pre-made French fries in advance of your own choice if you want to make them fresh or frozen. You also need a pouch of lentils and some cheddar cheese. So let's get started. Alright, so next you're going to add your cooked lentils. You can use a pouch of lentils, or you can make them freeze-dried according to your package directions and stuff like that. And then next you're going to slice off some cheese. You can grate it as an alternative if you have a cheese grater, but obviously where I live I don't have a cheese grater yet, so I got to do it this way. Not too much cheese, but also not too little either. There we go. It's like making Indian poutine. Next you're going to put this in the microwave and you're going to nuke it for at least a minute or until the cheese melts. I had to extend the cook time to ensure that the cheese was thoroughly melted, and see how it looks like in the end. Not how I expected the final product to look, but like I said, this is an experimental recipe, and now I'm going to sample. That is hot. That's delicious. So anyway, this is how to make lentil cheese fries. Or alternatively, it could be called Indian poutine. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.